You know what's funny? I never shoot with my back camera. Like, I never shoot. Am I crooked? Oh my God, please don't do this to me. Do I look good? Do I? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Tonight, I have a video for you guys. Just a quick little hack for you all. Well, I think it's gonna be a hack. I don't know, cause I never tried this before, but I've seen a lot of people try this, and I want to see for myself if it works. So I'm gonna just share it with you guys if it works or not. I'm trying to get my stomach like flat. Like I'm trying to get rid of it. So I'm doing this icy hot plastic wrap thing. What's it called? I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys what's gonna happen. So basically all you need is Glad wrap. You need some kind of plastic, well, it don't have to be Glad, but it just has to be some kind of plastic wrap. You're also gonna need your Vicks Vapor Rub. I would suggest you have a waist trainer. I think it would be better, but I don't have one. I don't know why I don't have one. But I have my sweatband. So yeah, this is what I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video a little bit so you can see me put it on and stuff. It's really self-explanatory, but you just put on the Vapor Rub, then you put on your plastic wrap. Please don't put it on too tight, please don't. And then you're gonna put on your waist trainer or your sweatband. Okay, so let me just speed it up right quick. Did y'all see how I put on that plastic wrap? But yeah, it wasn't really no specific how much to put on there. I just wrapped it and wrapped it around, make sure it was secure. Right now, I feel pretty comfortable. I didn't put it on too tight. I'm gonna go to bed, so bye-bye. I'm not a morning person at all. I did this for you guys. Let me tell you guys, before I show you my results, let me tell you guys what happened last night. My whole stomach was just, it was feeling it. And of course, that's what Vapor Rub does, but man, like all on my stomach, it just felt like my whole stomach was like cooking. And then I told you guys not to do it tight, and then I think I did it a little bit too tight. So I was just a little bit uncomfortable. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all what happened before I show you my results. So I already see these results. I'm excited. I hope it works. So let's get right into the results. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure my stomach. Before I was 29, I do remember I was 29 and got it. Uh-oh. So I'm at 27. Okay. That's my results, you guys. So I end up losing 2 inches off my waist doing the vapor rub saran wrap method. I believe you keep doing this like every night. I might just do a video doing this for a whole week to see what my results look like then. But I believe if you keep doing this, you would lose a couple inches doing this every night. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and try this, I say go ahead and do it. I don't see nothing wrong with it. I don't think it's dangerous or any type of way. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.